Immerse yourself in the world of artificial turf care excellence with the electric TurfBoy TB1 Eco DC from SMG, a ride-on machine designed for the decompacting and brushing of artificial turf systems. The TB1 Eco DC can easily access the field due to its compact dimensions. Our fully electric solution comes equipped with 4 10-amp-hour batteries as standard. No battery removal required. Simply connect the machine for direct charging. Fast charging technology keeps your operation moving, charging a 10-amp-hour battery in just 60 minutes, or up to 6 batteries in only 120 minutes. Setting up the drag brush in working position, and the adjustment is quick, easy, and safe. As standard, the TB1 Eco DC comes with an adjustable row of tines for decompacting the infill with a working width of 1,100 millimeters. An ergonomic lowering of the brushes is possible from the comfort of your seat. Enjoy an excellent all-round view, with every essential function clearly within sight. Easily adjust the working speed for every application. Activate cruise control for smooth, comfortable operation. The battery compartment accommodates up to 6 batteries, allowing 2 additional batteries to be added for extended operating time. Now a new and unique innovation is available, the LeaveSweep LS900. The optional attachment with an adjustable sieve from 4 to 10 millimeters removes leaves, worn fibers, stones, and other debris while redistributing infill material. The rake of the LS900 can be replaced quickly and easily on site, entirely without tools. Its specially designed replaceable floor comb glides through the turf, lifts the fibers, and helps transport contaminants to the adjustable screening system. The optional magnet bar ML1500 is designed for artificial turf maintenance. With a working width of 1,500 millimeters, it reliably collects concealed metallic debris such as nails, hair clips, and bottle caps. Triangle Brush DB 1000F. Light, robust, and foldable for artificial turf with a working width of 1,000 millimeters. Triangle Brush DB1600F. Light, robust, and foldable for artificial turf with a working width of 1,600 millimeters. Effective combinations of various attachments are possible to meet your individual maintenance needs. LeaveSweep LS900. Light, robust, and foldable for artificial turf with a working width of 2,400 millimeters. Unleash the revolution in artificial turf care with the electric TurfBoy TB1 Eco DC from SMG. Efficient maintenance, cleaner surfaces, and safer play.